Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Witch's Cauldron in Grow Garden game of Roblox new Halloween event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. We will need the Witch's Cauldron for our black cat. If you want to use the black cat, you need to have the Witch's Cauldron, because the black cat can only work with the Witch's Cauldron. And if you want to get this item, you need to have pumpkin crate, and you will have possibility to get this Witch's Cauldron. You can get the pumpkin crate from the Halloween market, which appear every hour. So every hour you need to stand by, and you can buy the pumpkin crate from the Halloween market. And if I'm not mistaken, it costs 20 candy corn. Or you can fill the the cauldron with your fruits, and you will have chance to get the pumpkin crate as reward. Okay, you can fill the cauldron right here, and then place the pumpkin crate on your garden, and then you can open it. Then you will have possibility to get the witch's cauldron. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get Witch's Cauldron for the Black Cat pet in Grow a Garden new Halloween event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!